Hey guys, today I'm going to present an amazing gadget that make our day-to-day life easier. You know, cleaning the dust in our home office is not an easy task. It is more time consuming when you clean the dust, especially furniture, kitchenware, electronic items, etc. And it's more difficult to clean under the beds, cupboards, tables, etc. So how to remove dust in all these surfaces just within few seconds? Yes, you can do all these things using this gadget. It is easier and more fun than you ever imagined. So let me quickly unbox this and show you how to operate this. If you still didn't subscribe to our channel, please click the subscribe button. This is available in the market under following brand names: Go Duster, Spin Duster, and the Magic Duster. This is a battery operated duster that is lightweight, perfectly balanced, and completely cordless. This comes with two extension rods, this is the motorized duster handle. This is good for disabled people and especially who has heavy back pains. So we'll see how to operate this. This is great for all your electronics such as TV, DVD, game consoles, computers and keyboards. You can clean shelves and books without having to move them. You need 4 AA batteries to operate this. Insert these batteries by checking the plus and minus directions. We'll check how to connect the extension rods.
As I said before, the brush heads are completely washable.